Alright, so this is a 2012 Ram, like a delivery van. It's one of their, I don't remember exactly what they call it, but it's got a little bit of an issue with the flex plate that you can see is all nice and cracked in there. So this is the 3.6 liter V6, and you can see that this is completely cracked out all the way around, and it was making the weirdest noise. I would have swore that it had a rod knock on this engine, and that's what I almost told him. I almost said that he needs a new engine or a bottom end, but we put it on the lift, and it just happened to stop in the exact right spot that I saw this crack right here. So you can see that comes down, because in the inspection window you only get to see like the bottom section. Like that's all you get to see, just like that in the inspection window, because this plate right here sits on there kind of like that. So I guess if it would have stopped there or there, I would have seen it, but in the inspection window it stopped right there when I shut the car off, and I was able to see that crack. So luckily I was able to spin it over and look at it, and found that. So if anybody's got this 3.6 and this is, like I said, 2012, if you got that motor, it's very possible it is not your motor making a rod knock, and you just need to replace this flex plate in the back. And you can see this was being held on by a hope and a prayer. It is cracked all the way around. Like that piece is loose. Yeah, I bet you without too much work, I bet you that whole thing would have just fallen off. So there's that piece. And that thing is loose in there. But anyways, something to check before you replace a whole motor.